Oh man, you can actually watch that stream. I was giving him help. I was helping him out with it. It was in he was doing. Let me see here. It was one of the. It was something easy. Funbox Easy. It was this one, which has like 1,000. Dude, that was so cool. You helped him. Oh, thanks. Were you watching that one? But yeah, well, he was on this one, and it even says the community rated easy, but it's like, dude, there's a million freaking rabbit holes in that thing. You know, like a whole website is a rabbit hole. So, like, the whole website is one big rabbit hole. I was like, yo, dude, like, nah, man, that's not how. I'm not gonna allow you just to be just stuck in this one big rabbit hole the whole time. I mean, you only got 3 hours, and he's streaming it too, so it's like, nah, man, it's his first time on it. So I sent him a message on YouTube, said, he has no idea who the hell I am. I wouldn't know who I am either, but I sent him a message on YouTube. I was like, yo, dude, Dawn 2 and Dawn 3 would be really good ones for you to do on Proving Grounds, because those two are like right up his alley with how he does things, you know. Let me go ahead and rate that box. Where was it at? We just did Solstice, right? So we can go ahead and rate difficulty. I would give it. I wish it was like a 3.5. We'll say it was a 3. It was, I mean, finding port 57 up and running, that would have been a pain if you guys didn't tell me, like, yo, look at running processes. But also after, like, sending limpies at it or something, and then looking at that, it would have been like, whoa, what the heck is port 57? What is this doing? So let's go ahead and we'll load up board to root now, and we'll see about this one. And then after this, we'll probably go over back into Try Hack Me, because I still need to do the video for Brain Pan, because I did mess that one up. So we still need to go do that one. So we'll probably head back over there and do Brain Pan's video for that buffer overflow, which a lot of people seem to be having trouble with for some reason. So I'll kind of slow it down and talk through that one a little bit more. So and see if this guy's up and running. Right click, we'll close out of here. Close out of here. Delete all that. We'll clear this out. And clear this out up here. Exit, CD backpack, and then, oh, I'm in this thing. Let's go ahead and go to desktop. What's a good place to start? Preparing for OSCP. I don't know. I never took it. No. With everything that I've read and stuff like that, I would say Proving Grounds now. Proving Grounds, that didn't come out till not too long ago. So I'll say Proving Grounds now, because that's all the offensive security kind of stuff that they've done. Try Hack Me, the buffer overflow rooms. Everyone's always scared of buffer overflows. And I would literally just go through the Try Hack Me practice rooms and just do like that. I know a bunch of people do like Hack the Box, and a lot of stuff I read online, they're doing some pretty insane stuff on there. But Proving Grounds is supposedly like one of the closest things you're going to get to OSCP, and they have retarded OSCP boxes in the paid for version of this, which is $20 a month, which depending on where you're from, that's a lot of money. So I don't want to like say like, oh, it's only this, you know, but yeah, they have doing it like that. That's how I would start with OSCP. I like the I&E stuff because it's very realistic. So I've always liked that stuff a lot more. But that's just my thought process. I know that like a lot of people say that I&E is harder than OSCP. Proving Grounds, Try Hack Me, Hack the Box, Ball, and TCM security. Yep, I&E. Yep, there you go. There's all of them like right there. Really, you can't get much more than like those guys like right there. After that, you're kind of going above and beyond. I even feel like Hack the Box a lot of times, especially if you're not doing the paid for version, because you know you got to just join those one rooms. That's the only reason I don't really do Hack the Box very much on here. It's because I feel like a lot of it is very CTF-ish. And, what is it? Born to Root. There are some great boxes on there. There are some amazing ones, but you got to pay for it. And I like the ones that, you know, the majority of this stuff is free. Alright, let's go ahead and start up our MF scan for him. Now that I just spoke about that for like 10 minutes. Oh, we got 111. Might be able to do something with RPC. Might. I don't know yet. So we're going to check out that web page there. SecretSec, a security company. SecretSec is a company based in France who has installed plenty of countries, blah, blah, blah. Okay, about us. Looks like we might have some usernames there. We also have a contact, like right there. So that'll be something that we want to look into. That's where, yeah, I started with I&E. That's like where I started at. I want to suggest that for everybody. Because if they're looking at OSCP, stuff like that, and they just want to go straight to there, then I would just suggest, do the try-hack-me's and go do OSCP. I did INE because, I don't know, I like the EJPT, I like the ECPPT, I like all that stuff. Let's go ahead and do a Go Buster on the site. Whoops. We'll run that Go Buster, see if we got anything going on there. See if we got like a robots. We start to manually enumerate it. Robots.txt. WordPress blog and files. Okay, let's go to the files first. I feel like I know what WordPress blog is. Okay, nothing there. And let's try WordPress blog. The next question is, now that we have that files, you just got trolled. Alright, that'll work too. Now we're going to give you a... Alright, since we have that files, like right there, I didn't really start with INE. I started with try-hack-me. Just, I was getting a degree in project management, IT stuff, and my final exam was doing hacking on Cisco routers. That was like my final paper. So that's like really how I started with that, and also I started with denial of service on a field op one time actually, but after that I started doing like Wi-Fi stuff, and then I just started getting bigger and bigger from there. Let's go ahead and this Go Buster is going super slow also. Can I do a curl tac v tac x for this guy right here? I want to see. Can I do it like that also? Okay, I can. Get head post options. Okay, I was gonna see freaking if I could do a put, since there is that files in there. I was gonna see if I can do anything with that. So it doesn't look like I can though. I don't know what that files is. This guy's moving super slow down here also. So I'm gonna try maybe Python 3. Dir search maybe, and we'll try to throw that IP address into there. Haven't seen anything new come up on my MF scan yet. Might want to do a Rust scan though. 192.168.125.49. And this one's got 1,000 threads, so we'll see how quick. Okay, he found /files, index that. Okay, he's flying. Files, icons. He's going way faster than he is over here. At least I feel like he is. It looks like he is. Yeah, GoBuster's running right here. I use both of them, GoBuster. I also use DirBuster or DirB, especially when I need to put in username and password, stuff like that. DirB is great. Manual. Did you refine files? Oh, that was in robots.txt, that's why. Let's also look at a Nicto scan for him. Whoopsie daisy. Not really what I wanted. So we'll run a Nicto scan, see if we get anything with that. Right now, we're kind of just dead in the water, just running scans on this guy. Can you tell me where to start for privilege escalation? So usually in privilege escalation, Robert Dunny, how does Nicto work? Let me answer this Nicto question scan first, real quick. I don't know. I have no idea how Nicto works. I know that if you use it on a live site, you will get kicked out of it. They won't block your IP address. I think it just goes in there and just starts to look at like what is the server actually sending back and everything. But I don't really know how it works. Like it looks like for like the reason I like to look for CGI bin, and CGI bin can be used a lot of times with shell shock, and it'll tell you if it's vulnerable to shell shock, and it also looks at robots.txt and can find things like that in there. Not quite as deep as what the other two can go, like the actual directory busters can go, but I don't know what it's actually doing on the back end. Nicto, that would be something I have to actually look up. Robert Dunny, for privilege escalation, where to start at? I would just start with, see I'll find that robots.txt. I would just they have some privilege escalation rooms and try-hack-me, but every time I get into a box, I usually seem to do the same thing. Like if I know the password, I do a sudo tac-l. If I know, if I don't have the password, I try the SUID bits. From there, I upload libps. From there, I upload Linux exploit suggester. The only reason I went straight to looking at ports last time is because someone on the chat said, hey, look at open ports. Like, okay. So, yeah, that's really how I start to do it. And I see what files can I mess with. TCM Academy has a Linux Windows Pre-Best course. Yep. Has Cyber Mentor there. He's great. He's absolutely fantastic. We're still waiting on something. And I almost want to manual. What is robots.txt? The WordPress blog thing is said trolled. I don't know. Let's see what this manual is all about. There's not going to be anything in here, but English. Okay, I didn't think so. Check out first. Yeah, there's nothing in there so far though. Files doesn't have anything. Icons doesn't have anything. Manual doesn't have anything. There's nothing in here. README HTML. Oh, what's this? Maybe it does. Okay, we got an RSA key. For who? We got an RSA key in there. Who's that for though? Okay. For who do we get that RSA key? Well, we did have a bunch of names from the beginning, right? We could always try something with that. Let's go ahead and try that. But, okay, so let's go ahead and do a ID nano checkout start page. Yeah, ID RSA, because it had a couple things in there, right? A couple names. Let's go ahead and go back to here. And we have Martin N, Haiti M, Jimmy S, and then Martin. So that looks like they're just using first names now, right? So let's go ahead and try change mode 600 for ID RSA. SSH TAC ID RSA Martin at the IP address. At that. Yes. Secret password. Ready to access the lab. Secret password. What? Welcome. The secret password is enter, by the way. Okay, so we found Martin Cat local. Okay, this is too easy. This is supposed to be intermediate. But that's something. I don't really trust that. Can we read? Should be, yeah, we're in Martin, right? Where am I? Okay, home Martin, okay. We don't have a sudo, let's try, we try a sudo tacal. Command not found. Sudo. Let me try to do a quick, because I've seen this one before. Let me try to do a cat scripts full shell. It's almost like I'm in like a Docker or something like that sometimes. And then you do this, like right here. I'm wondering if I don't get the secret password. I'm wondering if it puts me in some type of Docker. So I can't do a sudo tacal, can I? Sudo command not found. Let's look in var www. HTML. Control face, WordPress files, icons. Okay. There's that file, so we could always make like a reverse. I wonder if we make a reverse shell in that files, if we upload like a PHP reverse shell, I wonder if it'll still ask us for that that password like right there. We have a Jimmy Martin Haiti. Let's go ahead and CD into home. CD into Haiti. Buff overflow. We can read it, we can execute it. Is this a trick? Or is this really going to be a buffer segmentation fault? Okay. Okay. We have to do a buffer overflow on this thing? I mean, we could. Can I put something in here? Can I pin a session buff text? That should give me. That should have more stuff in there. Okay. Can I also get his? This is authorized key. Alright. Do I have to do a buffer overflow? Python. Whatever. Python taxi. Print. I don't know. A times 1,000, I guess. We don't have. I think it's a rabbit hole also. It's way too just like, hey, go here. Yeah, I think it's a rabbit hole also, but yeah, I can't even do a print. Okay. Well, you know, we could try to overflow it again, in all honesty. Into okay, there's that. Then we could always do a GDB, TAC-Q. What was it? It was buff, right? Run. Home. Martin. Overflow that text. Check out some of the user home directories. Not executed. String copy not executed. Syntax, blah, blah. Oh, it wasn't executed. Why not? Yeah, GDB is not giving me anything. I should be able to. I should at least see stuff. All right. I don't know if 1,000 is even the right thing. CD into back. CD into Jimmy. I don't think I can. Yes, Jimmy and Haiti are the only two that I can actually do. CD into opt. That's always a good place. Opt and Etsy. Update DB config. Let's see if there's like an Etsy var or anything. CD in a var. Yeah, cron tab. CW to W. I'll just go into temp and I also want to see, because I can't do a sudo tech out, right? Supposedly the command's not there, right? So I also want to see if I can do something with that, like files, like CD to files. If I can do something here, like put a file into here, like a wget or something like that, and see if I can bypass that thing to actually be able to do sudo tech out. So let me try that real quick. I'm going to copy from pentest monkey into here. All right, and I have config. I'm going to grab my IP address. And I'll do a Python tac-ng simple server 888 wget http that 888 / php there we go. Whoops. There we go. Haha, nope. Alright, so can't do that. Alright, cat Etsy cron tab. Jimmy does Python temp security.py. Did I do this one also already in VulnHub? I feel like I've already done these. CD to Jimmy. Can I CD to Jimmy? CD to home Jimmy. I don't think I can, right? Permission denied. Command user has been, so Jimmy's doing something and Python temp security.py. What cat scripts SUID look up? I feel like I've already done this one also. Deja vu was a glitch in the Matrix. And the new Matrix movie is coming out, or did just come out, or something. Something happened with the new Matrix. That's a good point. Alright. What the hell is XM4? Is that something? CTF opens exim foursome? No. Okay. Proc-mal? Is that something? No. Okay. Stage key. So I gotta try to figure out how the hell to get to that guy, right? That's my next problem here. Is I gotta try to figure out your last proving grounds videos. Are you private? Can you make it public? Which one? I don't know which one it is. I'm not gonna lie. For the last proving grounds one, I haven't done proving grounds like a little bit now. I tried to get on it the past couple days, and both times it said that you have used up your like thing or whatever, and it did not let me on either time. It was really, really weird. So we can mess with temp security, right? Can we write to that file? I can't even see if I can write to it, but I guess I could always just try to just send something at it. So can I just like, can I just do like an echo hi at home Jimmy, and it was security, right? Oh no, this is in temp. Why do I keep trying to go home? One second. cd/temp. Catch. There is no security.py. And this thing's trying to run something off of security.py. Alright, well, we should just be able to make a reverse shell now? Like a Python reverse shell, right? And then we would become Big Jimmy? Is that correct? I think. I don't know. Let's try that. Scripts. I think we'll become Jimmy if we do that. Python or rev python.text. This should be a Python 2 like right here. I'm just going to go ahead and do everything of Big Jimmy. Yeah, we're going to become Big Jimmy. Big Jimmy, he's the boss. You know that? Let's see here. 192.168. What is my IP address actually? 49.125. Oh, so close to over here. 49.125. We'll do 443 in case there's anything weird going on here. Let's go ahead and grab him. We'll echo him into a SEKU. I don't know. They spelled security incorrectly. SEKURITY.py. Thought they were cool, spelling it like that, I guess. Can I do that? Cat SEK security.py. Okay, let's go ahead and jeez, there's still stuff running up here. This guy's still running too. Let's clear him out. Let's go ahead and do NC LVMP for 443. Let's see if we get anything back from that. And I don't know if we actually need to change that mode or anything, because that's running up under Martin now. Alright, so there's that, right? So Jimmy Python temp security.py. I feel like we need to do like a change mode 777 for security.py to make him executable and everything, right? This allow anyone in the world to run him. Let's see if it even works. We'll go to a /security.py, and that did not work. He didn't like that at all, did he? Can I just throw whatever? Can I still like a bash or something like that if I want to in there? Can I throw whatever the hell I want to? Like a netcat or anything like that in there? Let's try with anything else. Anything else in the world. Let's try netcat or shell. We'll try this one like right here. This one seems to be a fan favorite. So we'll do, and that's 49.123. What's my IP address? 49.125. Man, so close. 49.125. 443. And we will save that in security.py, right? SEKURITY.py. Cat security.py. Okay, let's go ahead and Python, Python. Maybe that's why the last one didn't work. Security.py. Invalid syntax. Whoopsie daisy. Let's go ahead and echo that one back in there, because it might be a Python. Maybe that's why it didn't work. Security.py. No, I'm still getting invalid syntax. Where? Down here. That's like my invalid syntax to that, huh? Thank you very much, Python. Try this. I have an export R host and everything. We might be able to make our own. Let's go ahead and look one up. Payload all things, Python reverse shells. This is the ones I already have. It's not going to help out at all now, is it? Python. That's not the one I want, so I already have. I'll make an actual Python file for it, right? I think I can do import socket, I think I can like put this into each line at once, like one at a time, you know, kind of thing. We do something like that, or we can do we can import them like that. So that's what I want to try to do, like right there. I don't want a one-liner, I want a whole file. Boom, that's exactly what I want. Thank you. All right, except for without the numbers. All right, let me go ahead and okay, I wonder if we can just upload in there. New file. Import socket, subprocess, OS. We're going to import all those. S equals socket.socket. Socket.afinet. Socket.sock_stream. Okay. Connect equals 192.168. Dot whatever the home IP address is. (49.125). 49.125, right? And then a port, correct? Yep. I actually have to boom, boom. And then I believe it's a comma, is it? Comma, yep, port 443. Okay. Dump 2. And then I can just copy the rest of this. Okay, cool. So that's security.py like right there. That's what we need it to be. What I'm wondering is, are we going to be able to desktop? That's improving grounds, right? What's this one even called again? Boot to root, right? Did I not make a thing for this one? What in the heck? Jesus. Yeah, born to root. That's why. Born. Maybe I spelled it right. Alright, cool. We'll throw that in there. We'll save security.py. And then we should just be able to put him in the temp. So we'll do another wget. Or actually, that's remove tech rf security.py. And then we'll do a wget and bring him into it, right? Let's go ahead and do a wget. HTTP. There we go. 8888. Python tag m. Right. Oh, it's already in use. Okay, cool. Slash security.py. Ah, you fucker, dude. I'm moving way too fast here. Okay. Haha, nope. I still can't do that. Alright, so how the hell am I supposed to do this? So I can echo it into there. Can I do a nano in here? Okay, I just nano it in. Never mind. Okay, cool. Then why couldn't I be able to do a wget then? If I can just nano it. You can literally nano in if you want to limpies. It's literally a bash file if you want to. What the hell is going on here? There. Okay, there's security.py. So let's go ahead and change mode. Make that executable. And can I am listening over there. So let's see if that works now. Python security.py. Okay, so that will call back to me, and I'm obviously just going to be Martin again. So we'll exit out of there. We'll do that. We'll leave that open, and now we just have to wait for that netcat listener to come and get us, right? Jesus Christ almighty. That was horrible. I need to. I'm going to step out like real quick, wait for that guy to come back. I'll be back in probably about 5 minutes or so. Not even, probably about a minute. Alright, that did not work the way I thought it was going to. This is the, yeah, it is. Lateral movement, that's, yeah, it is a decently tough box. But I'm still not getting anything over here yet. I mean, I should get something there in like a little bit. We can cat, Etsy, cron tab, and I should be able to see something. Jimmy Python temp security.py. As long as I spelled that correctly. sekurity, sekurity.py, and it's running Python than that. So it's ready every 5 minutes it looks like. So this may actually take a minute. But yeah, this is a harder box. Let's see what it said on here. Born to root, intermediate, and yeah, they all said intermediate. Engage your community. No. Elias003. No. I will not. I gotta put a space in there. This is the longest 5 minutes of my life. I wish it was kind of like a Cisco pack tracer where I could just speed it up, you know, just press the button and it goes faster. Because 5 minutes on these things never feels like 5 minutes. Or it feels like you hit it up like just before, you know. Are you on Twitter? I am not on Twitter, no. I'm not that cool, Juku. Sorry. Juko. Jester Juko. Juku. Alright, we got somewhere. LS Tech LA. Alright, we got this. Now we have Networker. One cat Networker. Alright, I don't know what the hell I'm supposed to be seeing with that. /home. Excuse me, Haiti? Haiti's the one with the buffer overflow crap, huh? Still haven't got anywhere yet. Do I have to become Haiti? Can you run sudo? Sudo not found. Of course not. What about cat? Scripts. SUID lookup? Can he run anything? Alright, Procmail, home Jimmy Networker. I don't really want to go. Well, now that I'm him, yeah, I can get into Jimmy obviously because that's who I am now. But I haven't got anywhere though. So now we still need to figure out where the hell to get to. We got to there. And we still have Haiti as a user, right? What if we did all this just to... I swear to God, if we did all this to not do anything or get anywhere, I did enumerate SUID, there was nothing in it. that I can see at least. Or what if we did all that for nothing? Puts printf system. This looks like another frickin' buffer overflow. Networker.c. I don't understand what network is supposed to be. Network. I don't understand what that's supposed to do. Just done. Okay. Next tool version 5. SUID lookup. Yeah, there's nothing. I mean, he's got to say something the last person has, except for he has home Jimmy networker this time. But networker doesn't seem to be doing anything. And networker, it's writing as root. I can write to it and execute it. Huh, wait a minute. If I can write to it, can I? Okay, couldn't I now make a bash reverse shell? Because it's writing as root, right? I just deleted it, so it's not going to run as root anymore, is it? It's going to run as Jimmy now, isn't it? Oh my god. I think at least. It's going to run as Jimmy now, isn't it? Not root. So like a... That's doing cron tab. What about cd into etc cron.d, right? I think if I just delete it, I don't think I'm going to be able to, because if I put it back in there, it's going to be running as, whoopsie daisy. That's not what I want to do. Alright, so we know how to get into Martin, right? We got to Martin. We know how to do security.py. We did that, right? So let's go ahead, and we still have that file. So I think we have to revert this box now, and then go from there, unless if we just want to wait for this Hydra to go, or something. Who owns what? That is the path to root. That was the path to root. Well, it said root on it at least. I'm wondering if I could have appended the document or rewrote the document or something like that. Well, actually, can Martin write it? I wonder if Martin can write to it. Well, why would he? It doesn't matter anyways. The document's freaking gone. I deleted it. I removed it, so it's not like it's going to do anything anymore anyways. Try this. Cat etc password or cat user share wordless monkey.txt grep for Martin. Okay, not bad, not bad. Quite a few Martins in there. Let's try SSH in as these guys. Haiti was the last one, right? Haiti? She was the last one, right? Or whatever. Could always, instead of going through the whole frickin' thing, we could always try something like this, huh? Jesus. There's a lot of Hades in here. Oh. You could always just try something like this. Just grab this guy, like right here. Just say, hey, Hades, is this any of these you? Okay, cool. Let's try that. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep brute force. This is weird. No, that's what I'm gonna do is try to brute force it. Hydra, tac L, Haiti, tac P, user share wordless, rocky.text. Or no, I don't want that actually. I want to make that a freaking thing, right? So let's go ahead and nano Haiti.text. We're gonna do a SSH or Hydra tac L, Haiti, tac P, Haiti.text, SSH into this guy like right here. And if this doesn't work, I'm wondering if I have to go back, reset it, and then go from there. Port 22. Let's try that. See if we can get anything with that. I'm thinking everything we did so far, Jester Juco, was for nothing. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that, hey, we got to... We went from Martin to whoever this was, Jimmy or whatever, from Martin to Jimmy, and now we gotta get to Haiti. The only way to get to Haiti is through that network thing, that networker. I just deleted networker, so now I'm just going to try to brute force Haiti and see if maybe her password exists in there. If that doesn't work, then we're just gonna revert it, and we'll head back from there. What I should do like right now is also brain pad at the same time. That's what I should do. But let me see here. We got 118, so I still got a couple hours left, or like an hour left before my son wakes up. But it's been like 5 minutes, and this thing's still not done anything over here yet. Because at least that should at least still be working. The security.pilot right here, that should still go through. What's up, Airs Gamer? How you doing? I think I just messed up a box. So it says that there's 1,418 to do in about 9 minutes, it looks like. So hopefully we just get in like that. And we just go and get it through Haiti. I feel like I've also done this one before though too. Because I remember security being spelled like that. Alright, we can. So SSH Haiti. So we don't need that networker thing, that networker part of it. And the password is Haiti123. Oh, can we just SU to her? I'm about to say SU to Haiti. Can we do that? Must run from a terminal. Cat scripts full shell. Can we just do that? Because it was Haiti123, right? Okay, let's try to do that. Then can we SU into Haiti? Haiti123. Sudo tac L. Can you run sudo? No one in here runs sudo. Okay. ID. What are you, Haiti? Okay. What can you do for us? CD in the root? I don't know. This is now the third person that we've become. So, what? Actually, how about all the answers? Cool, Hydra. Yeah, we definitely had a Hydra. I'll tell you that much right now. I don't know where to go from Haiti. Like, we got to Haiti now. What can Haiti do? Cat scripts. SU ID, look up that text. Can Haiti just get SU in the root? There was one of the boxes we did one time where literally the guy couldn't do anything, and then also I typed in SU root, and the password was root, I think. It was like, okay, like there's no possible way of actually knowing that. So could we just SU into root? Root? Was that this box that I did that on? SU root password? There is no sudo command. She has nothing up here that she can run. I don't know. I don't know what else to do. Do we look up the hints? Do we just say screw it and look it up? What do we do? Because this is now the third person that we become. SU root, password root. You think that? SU root, password is root. Yeah, I tried that. Nope. Nothing with that. Hydra, attack L root. Can we do that? Do we just look up the hit and just say screw it? Because nmap. Nmap what? We can't upload WinPs. I don't know. What ports are open? 80 and 22. Whoopsie daisy. '80, 22, and 111. But SSH does not work. SSH, Haiti. Can I just do root? Can I do root at whose password? Haiti 123. Password? Because I can't do Haiti at that. HADI. Can't do her. Can actually reset by peer. Can't do her like right there. Yep, 80, 22, and 111. We are now Haiti. CD/root. And we are running out of time here. Permission denied. If you look at anything that she's done, like her bash history or anything like that. GDB history. Permission denied. I already tried that. SSH Haiti at the box no IP address. I already tried that one. It's right there. And she can't. She's not allowed to. You saying it here? SSH Haiti? At the box's IP address? Doesn't like that at all. SU tack? Let the exit out of there and wait for it again. What is SU tack? What does that do? Yep, wait on him again. We'll see if this guy comes up with anything. Nmap, that's all we're seeing now there. We go ahead and do a rust scan for it for 125.49, but nothing else in there. 2281 and 111, and that's all we're seeing with that guy. We'll try to SU tack as soon as we get back into Haiti, at least. Oh wait, can I SU into Haiti from down here? What do you mean it's timed out? Haiti 123, there we go. Okay, at least we got Haiti. Okay, so we got Haiti back down here. Okay. So there's our local attacks. We already did that one, right? So we already got to there. Now, how are we going to prove us out of here? Because Networker's gone now. That's gone. Unless we reset the whole thing. We do have the IDRSA key, so it really wouldn't be that bad to reset the whole thing. You know? SU tac, you're saying Haiti, 1, 2, 3. Nice move, Jester. So we did an SU tac, Haiti, 1, 2, 3, and got to root like that. Nice move, Jester. So this one would have finally gotten to, I think. So can we go to SU? Well, why couldn't I? Wait. Should I try to SSH in? SU tac will switch to root, and it might be used. Nice. Okay, the password might be used. But why couldn't I do root at 192.168.125.49? Right? Did I try? Okay, well, nope, never mind. Alright, cool. So let's go ahead and CD into root. I like that. Thank you. I'll ask tac LA, and we'll cat that proof.text. So Jester Juco, the one that freaking pulled through in the end there, saying, hey, I have an idea. That's okay, cool. I didn't know you could do that. I know that was the thing. So very awesome. Thank you. I did get learned today. So that was awesome.